Hello, Cardiolog Analytics users. Welcome to the Cardiolog Analytics SaaS Advanced End User Training Series. In this video, we will share with you some tips on how to create a user-friendly and easy to understand reports on Cardiolog Analytics SaaS. This will help you and your organization to get better insights from your data and improve your data-driven decision-making process. The first step is to define the right fields and decide how you will organize your report into pages. The second tip is to choose the right visualization for your report that match the type of data you present. The third tip is to choose the right formatting and colors to make your report easy to read. Let's dive deep into each one of these tips in detail. The first thing to be mindful of is how you defining the fields within your visuals, and how you define which visuals should appear on the page. This means taking a step back and defining what your requirements are. Before building your report, think about what sort of information you want to find out. Or, if someone asks you to build a report for them, ask them to provide you with a detailed list of requirements. For example, if a colleague publishes weekly news article, they might ask you for a report about how popular those news articles are. Ask them what they mean by popular. Does they want to see how many users view the articles? Or how long did they view them? Do they want to see what their next page view was after viewing the article? Or if any external links were clicked on from an article? If they embed images and videos within their articles, perhaps they want to know what the page loading times are. So it's very important to spend time planning before you start building your report. Choose the right visualization. How best to see the information in the format of a report. Figure out where to place each field. Once you have planned what fields to add to your report, you need to think about choosing appropriate visualizations that will represent your data accurately. For example, if you want to see page views by browser and page request and page load time, take some time to think about what sort of visualization would be best to represent this information. In this scenario, a pie chart is not the best choice, but you could take a tree graph and add a drill down. The last thing, make sure to use the right titles and legends for your visuals. It's very important to be aware of how your data is represented by the visuals you select. In terms of formatting and colors, it's best to keep things simple and straightforward. Try not to clutter your report pages with a lot of visuals. If you have lots of visuals and it's starting to get too crowded, just add a new page to your report. A busy page is difficult to read. When we create reports, we're trying to tell a story. We want to convey information in a way that's easy to read and understand. Adding a lot of visual to a page can be confusing for the reader and makes it hard to know where their focus should be. You should also try to use similar color schemes. Don't add a lot of clashing colors, which can be distracting and overwhelming. It's also important to consider the size and placement of your visuals. Again, you want to guide the reader through the information, so place visuals in logical locations. Visuals that appear on a page together should be relevant to each other, and visuals that are most important should be larger. In the end, I would like to thank you for your time and hope you found this video useful to you. I would also encourage you to check out other Cardiolog Analytics SaaS training videos in this series to learn more about how you can fully utilize the tool and get better insights from your data.